We're going to quickly run through the installation of the different types of internal fridge filters that we have. So generally, if your fridge filter comes with a something like this at the end, it's a cap or a plug. So this just prevents anything from, all of these filters usually do come wrapped in plastic for hygiene purposes, but the plug is just one extra step. Not all the filters come with that. A lot of times it depends on the batch. Very simple to remove this. You first remove your C-clip. You just pull it off the side of the filter. Then you'll see there is a small ring. The ring is pushed towards the filter, which disengages the inside, the claw. And then while you push that with your one finger, you can very easily just pull that out. So it's very simple. The same way that you would insert or remove a pipe is the same way you insert or remove the plug. So we'll do this on both sides. All of these filters are installed or removed in exactly the same way. Let's just quickly remove this. So both of the plugs are removed. Once the filter is clear, so obviously with this, you'll just have integrated fittings. It works in exactly the same way. You just be able to see through on the inside, then you know there's no plug in the filter. You then take your pipe. So I just have one section of pipe here for demonstration purposes, but obviously one of these will be from your water supply, and one of these will then go through to your fridge. So the first step is to look at the flow direction. So you'll see on the filter, on the label, there should be a flow direction indicated. Obviously here it would be the inside, so this would be the side that goes through to your water supply. The outside would be the end that goes through to your fridge. So we'll start by connecting the pipe through to, or from the water supply. You very simply take the pipe, you push it into the hole on the side of the filter, and you give it a very firm push. You'll feel almost like a click sort of a feeling. The most important is that there's an internal O-ring that the filter has, or that the pipe has to push past to ensure that it seals correctly. Once it has pushed through, you can then just clip on your C-clip. This just prevents the fitting from disengaging accidentally. Once it's installed, we do recommend flushing these filters. So because they contain carbon, you will find some carbon dust that does flush through during the first use. This is completely normal. It's also not hazardous or dangerous in any way. It just isn't a pleasant taste in the water. So if you turn on the water and you run this into a bucket or into your sink, for the first 5 or 6 liters, you'll find that the water has got a bit of a brownish blackish color, or a grayish blackish color. That's just the carbon dust flushing out. Once that is flushed out, you can then turn off your water supply again and then insert the pipe from your fridge side. Again, on exactly the same way, you just insert it into the hole, give it a very firm push, just make sure that it pushes past the O-ring, and then install your clip. Once your filter is installed, it should, for the lifetime, be fairly maintenance and leak free. If you do find that it leaks, it's usually that either your pipe has gotten slightly damaged, or that the pipe is not inserted correctly. So in that case, we recommend cutting off about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of pipe, just with a pair of scissors or a knife is fine. You can then remove the pipe that's left. So it's just, you remove your C-clip. Again, you push this ring in, just as simple as that. Once you've cut off that section of pipe, you'll just insert it in exactly the same way, making sure it's firmly installed, and your leak should be remedied. If you do have any issues or are unsure about anything, you are welcome to give us a call or send an email to technical@definitivebrandgroup.co.za, and one of our technicians will assist you.